welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe. I share entertainment news as well as vlogs. Guys, next week I'm going to be posting a vlog. Last time I posted a vlog was last year. This year guys, this year nyagoa, umuntu uyagoa, umuntu is going through a lot. We can't even vlog when we are going through a lot. Like kuningi, but next week I am definitely posting a vlog, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe to see that vlog. Yeah, I'm not really good with vlogs, but I try to be as authentic as I can be. So stay tuned. So guys, yeah, today we are talking about Uvuyokazi Ncweni, who is just living her life, but people just won't let her live her life. Ukel is living her life. She is doing what she is doing, minding her own business. She is not bothering anyone, but people are just here. People are just here. Have you guys did this? Have you guys did this? And then I at some point, yeah, like it's fed up. Girl, she is up to here. So girl, she recently did a birthday party for her firstborn. She was turning 5 years old. I posted a video showing the pictures of the birthday party. It was so beautiful, and you can see Uti, it was well organized and well planned. Ne? Sharp, okay. So girl, she recently went to Turkey to do a weight loss surgery. Yeah, all I can say is it's a weight loss surgery. I don't want to say wrong things because I know people will come for me in the comment section. So now people ask, there's a picture of a guy that people are allegedly saying, yeah, viewers is dating this guy. Hey, this guy is the one that is sponsoring the weight loss surgery to Turkey. This guy is the one that was sponsoring the birthday parties. This guy is the one sponsoring the lifestyle. Why? Why, guys? Why can't we just let Uvuyokazi be? Like, Ukel has been through the most, guys. She has been through the most, and we've seen it. Yeah, like Ukel has campaigns that she is running. Ukel has a YouTube channel that is so big, that has so many views, that is monetized here on YouTube. Obviously, she is getting paid on that channel. Like, hey, well, guys, hey, well, guys. And then someone also said, Uguti, yeah, because of yoga Zika's, she has started her own businesses. It's a hair business, and I'm not sure about the other one. People are also saying, Uguti, even those businesses are funded by the guy. So Vyoga's Gesan got fed up. She saw those rumors. She took a screenshot and posted them on her Instagram stories and said, guys, sanundiqhela. Like, girl, she is fed up, and she has been quiet for such a long time. So I understand. I really understand. Like, sinawe Vulukazi, sinawe. Women can also be successful without a man in their lives, guys. Even if there is a man, akusindaba yethu thina, like, it's really not our business. But ugel nje corrected the rumors ukuthi there is no man behind her success. There is no man funding her lifestyle. She is doing it all herself. That's all I have for you today, guys. Please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. We'll see you on my next one.